Lack of sufficient relative rest, we'll talk about some research behind that as well too. Relative rest, that means if you're running 7 days a week versus running 5 days a week. You can do other stuff on those other days. Not being externally evaluated periodically. I mean, somebody else taking a look at you. It doesn't have to be Joey or I or somebody else. It should be a friend who jogs behind you on the trail for a little bit, or hangs out on the side of the pool and watches you swim. And you may notice you're just doing different things. This happens with professional baseball players, professional golfers. They'll just do a little tiny tweak. They visit their coach for 5 minutes and they're back doing the same thing again. So lack of full availability of neuromuscular recruitment for strength training. Basically, they're not firing all their muscles, so they don't have that kick at the end of the race, and those tissues get overstressed. And that's usually when a lot of injuries will happen, because you're going to finish the race if you're 70–80% of the way through. So this talks a little bit about this really big study they did on swimmers, cross-country skiers, and long-distance runners. They had 446 of them. They surveyed them, and they followed them over time. And they saw the athletes with less than 2 rest days per week during the training season had a 5.2-fold risk for an overuse injury. So some of you guys are already doing that. It's been triathletes are almost kind of forced